Hey, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I wanted to quickly share with you how to get clients through cold outreach. So I wanted to explain this entire process to you right now. So here we go, right? I've used this for hundreds of people. I've helped booked meetings for hundreds of people and help them get clients through cold outreach. So I just wanted to share with you how I personally do everything, right? So to start with, what is cold outreach? Well, cold outreach is basically soliciting a prospect to try to get them to buy something from you or for you to sell them something, like whether that be a product or a service. So my methodology around cold outreach is actually pretty simple, right? So basically, here's how advertising works, right? You just need to try to get other people to know that you exist. And to do that, you need to create some sort of stimulus or some sort of awareness for someone or for your prospects to actually interact with, right? So anything that you can sense with your five stimulus, whether that be your eyes, something that you see, something that you smell with your nose, something that you hear, any of these things, these are what you call stimuluses, right? So you want to interact with your potential buyers by letting them know that you exist, right? That's why we have billboards. All of these different techniques and tactics exist to try to get you to buy something or for them to sell you something, right? So what does this have to do with cold outreach? Well, cold outreach is really just an alternative way, another way for you to create attention. You want to reach out to your prospects by letting them know that you exist and seeing if they're interested in purchasing something that you're looking to sell. So how do we do this? Well, like I said earlier, right? What we need to do is create attention, but not just creating attention, but attention to the right audience. So to create attention, you need 3 keys of cold outreach, and you master all 3 of these cold outreach keys, right? The first one is your actual offer. So your offer is a unique value, right? Your unique value that you provide to your prospects. So for example, what makes you different from all the other competitors? If you had a compelling offer, then it makes it really easy to sell something to someone, right? What makes the prospect want to choose you over someone else? So if you're selling, let's say, marketing services, Facebook ads, why would a client, an e-commerce brand, want to work with you to, do Facebook ads, to let you run their Facebook ads for them over a competitor? Well, the only way to stand out is do something called a compelling offer, something that lets you stand out above and from the rest of the crowd. The second key driver of cold outreach is, the unique audience. So now that you have your unique offer, your compelling offer, what makes you you? You need to make sure that you're conveying this to the right people. You have to have a niche that you're targeting. You cannot just be sending it to a general audience, right? For example, if you were to target small businesses, you wouldn't want to just send it to every small business or everyone or anyone who wants to make money, right? Or anyone who wants to improve their relationships or something like that, right? Your offer is that you have to be very specific with the audience, right? You want to be targeting so that you can target a wide variety of people, right? You want to target a wide variety of people within that niche audience. So let's just say that you do marketing, right? And you do marketing for almost any business. Well, that's great, but you can do that for anyone, right? You need to be specific. You can't just be targeting and throwing a wide net for everyone. You need to be extremely specific with who you're targeting, right? And the way to do that is by really narrowing down your client, right? So let's say you're targeting small businesses. Well, the first step is what type of small businesses? Are you targeting salons? Are you targeting hairdressers? What is the specific type of business that you're looking to target? Well, let's say you're targeting hairdressers. Well, now we want to be even more specific. What type of hairdressers are they? Are you looking for hairdressers who work with males or work with females, men or women, right? Because that really narrows it down. And then after that, how many employees do you want to be targeting, right? Are you targeting large hairdressers with, hairdressers that employ 100 people? Are you looking to target more smaller type of hairdressers, ones that are maybe only employing 1 to 10 people, right? These are all very important things and is all a step of, targeting your specific niche. Well, the third point of the cold outreach is the actual channel that you want to choose to actually do the cold outreach, whether that be through, cold calling, cold email, using Facebook, using Instagram, using, LinkedIn. All of these are channels. So what that means is these are all individual places that you can utilize, platforms that you can use to target and actually get your message across. Now, how do you choose between all of these different channels? There's quite a bit of them, right? Well, the best way to do it is to really think about your clients and where are they hanging out. For example, let's say you're targeting e-commerce clients. Well, we know that most e-commerce owners they hang out on Facebook, for example, right? There's a bunch of different Facebook support groups, all for e-commerce owners and e-commerce brands owners, right? And that's where all of them congregate. That's where all of them hang out. Well, what that means is maybe you should consider using Facebook as a channel to conduct your actual cold outreach, right? Because that's obviously where all the e-commerce owners are located. Well, now you have your channel, which is Facebook, right? If you wanted to target another group of people, right? Let's say you wanted to target software companies. Well, we know that they have emails. So in this case, maybe you would want to target them using cold email outreach, just because if they're working for a software company, then 99.99% chance they have some sort of email address. So you want to target their emails for cold email outreach. My point being is you want to really spend some time, really sit there once you have, your audience dialed in, you know who you're specifically trying to target. You want to really ask and figure out where are those people located, and you go on that platform and you target them there, right? Well, those are the 3 key pieces of cold outreach. Just to summarize, the first one is your audience. The first one is your offer, your compelling offer. The second one is your audience. So who are they? And be very specific with that. And then your third one is the channel of outreach. So where are your ideal clients located and how can you target them, right? So hopefully, this video was super helpful. I really quickly, briefly went over the key pillars of cold outreach and how to actually get clients through outreach, right? If you're interested in chatting, if you're interested in learning how we help our own clients book and sign 3 to 5 clients monthly, then use the link below and set up a time, and we could quickly chat to find out if this is something that can help you. But hope you have a really good day, and cheers. Bye.